So this is what a Taba Squishy has to look like. One, it feels all soft and squishy. The other one, there's like this big hole in the middle. You do not want that. This one, it's like purple with pink. The other one's just clear because I was just testing it out. And you just need the silicone rubber. This is how to make the Taba Squishies. Um, and it's all pretty and all like that. It's from Amazon, so I'll leave the link in the description. So there's molds. It's a little hamster holding a piece of cheese. There's a bear. It's really cute. Then there's like pots to put the silicone in. Then there's a paw print one, like I shown with the good one. And there's a fish mold. So there's like pom-poms to put inside the bag. It's very fun squishy. It's like a normal squishy. Don't know, I never took it out the bag. Then I got the paints to dye the silicone so the Taba Squishy will have a colour to it. So you need silicone B and silicone A. It has little cups on top of it, top of the lids, so you can measure it. So you don't really need these, and let's pick which one we're gonna do today. So we got the hamster, fish, bear, and paw print. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger on its toe. If it squeals, there you go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. There you go. It's gonna be the paw print. That's how I do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. By the way, it's just, I don't know. Let's put the box away. Put the stuff we won't really need now. So we first need the cup and the mold. Then we need the scissors. I'll tell you in a second what we can use the scissors. In the mold there's like this little loop so you can put it in a keychain. I just leave the keychain out, so I just snip that off. So we need Vaseline as well. Probably seen this everywhere. Put Vaseline inside the mold so it's easier to take this out so it doesn't stick to the mold. Once you did that, it'll be nice and like smooth or something like that, greasy. That means it's perfect. And now there was a bit of Taba Squishy on my hand then. We need the little pots. It takes forever to get apart, so that's why I clipped it, because it took forever. So I'm going to do two because I'm going to do two different colours mixed together. You can do one colour or two like me. So first we need the silicone rubber A, and we're going to pour it halfway. And then put the lid back on. And then grab the other one, do it halfway again, up to the 15 meters. So yeah, so that's exactly how much we need. It gets very messy, so I'd rather grab a kitchen towel, toilet paper, or whatever, just to wipe your hands down. Okay, we need one of the pots and pour all of the silicone rubber. And you can grab a lollipop stick just to scoop the rest out, or anything just to really scoop the rest out. You could use a spoon, lollipop stick, what I'm using, or just leave it how it is and not get the rest out. So now we need to pour the other half from silicone A. You can use a popsicle stick, a spoon, whatever, just to get the rest out, like I did on silicone B. And my hands are still greasy, let's just wipe that off. So you have to stir it for 1 or 2 minutes. I did 2 because I thought let's get it like fully mixed, like mixed together. So then you get the other pot, and I put halfway because in the mold I'm going to do half one color and then put the other color in. Then it turns like this really pretty color. So I've done that. You don't need to do what I'm doing. I just thought, yeah, why not? Okay, let's grab the colours. I do not know which one I'm going to pick. So, let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, oh. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger on so if it squeals, there you go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So it's yellow. That's interesting. It's very hard to open. That's why I clipped it. There's some silicone A and B in the pink because I was using it before just to test it, and it kind of like not hardened, but like you know. Oh, and I guess it landed on blue. So we're gonna do a yellow and blue Taba Squishy. Let's see how this goes. So you grab a little bit of the paint and just mix it into the silicone, and you can add as much as you want. It takes like you have to stir it completely until all the little bits are gone. Same with the yellow, just mix it about. Has to mix fully because otherwise it will just stick up and it won't look very nice. I'm not an expert, but like I've done like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now I'm on my 7th. Oh my god, 6, 7. So I hate that meme. So 2025. Let's pour more blue, the silicone B and A halfway, and I'm going to use the blue one first. Let's just pour it like halfway. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now can you get the yellow one and just pour the rest in? It might mix together. That's what you want because it's just gonna like blend in. You see a little bit patches of yellow. Sometimes you can get patches of blue. It's so cool. Don't add too much of the paint because otherwise it will go too bright or too dull. So you have to wait for that for 1 or 2 hours. I did an hour and 30. So tidy the rest out. And look, it's already dried up. It took forever. Basically, I was literally in my bed. So you can grab like toothpick just to like scrape the edges of it so it just pops out. Just be very careful. These things really rip really easily. So just be very careful when you're taking it out of the mold. Or that. Oh, oh yes. See? It's so cool. It's patches of yellow, patches of blue. That's why the scissors come in. I'm gonna snip off the little bits hanging out of the paw, the bottom of the paw. So yeah, it's all squishy, so fun to play with. So these are the things we made. So now this is 7, not 6, 7, 7 of them. So we got 3 paws, 1 fish, 1 hamster holding cheese, then also a bear. It's so fun to play with. I love you guys. Bye!